Now that your business has a name and a solid foundation in Google Drive, it's time to make it official. You don't have to be a lawyer or accountant to get this part right, but if you want to build something that lasts, that you can eventually automate, outsource, or even sell, you've got to treat it like a real business from the start. That means getting legally set up. The first thing to understand is structure. Most people who start online businesses begin as sole proprietors. That just means you're operating under your own name without forming a legal entity. That's fine to start with, but it doesn't offer any protection or separation between you and your business. That's why I recommend forming an LLC, limited liability company, when you're ready to take that next step. An LLC protects your personal assets and gives you the ability to open a business bank account, receive payments under your business name, and write off business expenses. It also shows people you're serious. You can file for an LLC yourself using your state's website, or use a filing service like LegalZoom, InkFile, or Northwest Registered Agent. It usually costs between $50 and $300 depending on your state. Once your LLC is filed, you'll need an EIN, Employer Identification Number. This is like a social security number for your business. You can apply for one completely free at irs.gov. Don't pay a third party. You can do it in under 10 minutes. After you have an LLC and an EIN, you can open a business bank account. Use this to collect client payments, cover business expenses, and keep everything separated for tax time. Most banks now let you apply online. And here's the thing. If you're running this as a side hustle right now, that's fine. You don't need to go full legal mode on day one. But the moment you make your first $1,000 to $2,000 sale, it's time to legitimize it. You're building a business asset, and assets are worth more when they're structured properly. If you ever want to sell this, bring on a partner, or take a payment from a large business, they're going to want to see that you're a real company, not just someone with a PayPal link. Also, remember to choose a payment processor that fits your structure. Stripe and PayPal are easy to set up with your EIN, and they let you issue professional invoices. You'll use one of these, or both, to get paid by clients. And one last thing. Put your legal docs, your LLC paperwork, EIN confirmation, and bank account details into a folder in your Google Drive called Business Setup. This keeps everything clean, easy to reference, and ready in case you ever need it for taxes, Stripe disputes, or future funding. This isn't just paperwork. This is you taking ownership. This is you stepping fully into the role of a business owner. Now let's move into how to store, organize, and deliver your assets like a real consultant, because what you say is valuable, but how you present it is what gets you paid more.